So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about future retail share. So we'll see the updates on future retail and then we'll discuss about the CCI approval. So because many people were asking questions regarding that and also they have taken at different levels. So we'll try to find out what can be done and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis to find out the next set of targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So we can see that Amazon today has sent a legal notice to Future Group's promoter regarding the deal with respect to Reliance. That is, we know that already a deal which was announced way back so many months. So what is happening to the deal? So what is the various obligations that are occurring? So what is the main reason? So that is what Amazon is questioning. So it is asking why it has not seeking ROFR for RIL deal. So what is ROFR? So right of first refusals. So it is telling that why it has not refused for the first time. So what is actually happening with it? So these are the main questions that Amazon has raised today. And we can also see Amazon accuses Future for breaching non-compete by entering a deal with competitor. So you can see clearly it has mentioned competitor. So we already know that there are many issues even when we discussed about ratios. So whenever the deal also happened, so when Reliance officially said that it will be giving less stake to Amazon, so there are many conflicts and even the deal was postponed during those days. So little bit of competition was always present between Reliance and Amazon, which always has given trouble to Future Retail. So what to do? So we know that even the CCI approval, which is also approaching, so due date which is present on 28th will be a deciding factor. So we can wait patiently till that particular date. As usual, don't do any sort of heavy investments. I already suggested that. So since the news is now circulating within the Future Group, so it is making the stock to consolidate between few range that we discussed already. So Future Group, earlier we know that without these deals or obligations, earlier it used to be normally either it used to go up or either it used to go down, but certain days we know that it has remained in a consolidation phase. So we'll discuss everything, so watch the video till end. So we know that it has sent the legal notice right now. So what will happen next? If there are obligations, if they still continue regarding the RIL deal, then definitely Amazon will also be planning to we can say retake the deal in the Future Group. So that we need to watch out. So I'll update if the news comes. So when you see the volume analysis clearly on 7th October, you can see 49.4% deliverable quantity was present. And if we compare with weekly, monthly as well as 6 months average, so you can see percentage wise little increase is present, but little bit of we can see traded quantity is reduced. So what is actually happening with Future Retail? So Future Retail currently is in turning around news. Okay, so when a positive news comes, only it is giving a movement, but rather than it is not obeying any technical. So technicals exactly won't work, just we can watch the volumes which are very important. So technicals are different, volume analysis is different. So in volume analysis, we try to find out whether heavy quantity is being added or traded quantity is being taken place. So that is what we discuss in every videos. So what we can see in money flow index. So money flow index is one such indicator which gives us clarity regarding the volumes. So clearly you can see it is near 42.1 and RSI is near 40.5. So whenever 30 below, as usual we discussed in previous videos also, it means it is gone to oversold region, and 80 above is called overbought region. So this is just a part of analysis. So completely we can't depend, especially in case of operator stocks or news based stocks. Okay, so since legal notice is being given, so need to watch out what will be the movement tomorrow. So definitely since the market sentiment little bit now is in flat position, if you see the SGX Nifty also, so wait patiently before you invest, since the due date for CCI approval is also approaching. So little patience we need to inbuild and little focus also should be there. So frustration, okay, it will be present because it has given loss to many people, who have taken at high levels. So people who are trying to invest, that is fresh investment, definitely you need to build that patience, as 20th will be one such. Okay, before that we need to wait a little bit of patiently. So if we see the 1 day chart, so clearly in 1 day chart as well, we can see this was the level where we have discussed, but it has given down from that, that is the 97 rupees level. Again, it has gone to the 80 rupees level from where it has started retracing, and currently it is in a consolidation phase. Okay, so nothing much to discuss in technical. So since it is a news based stocks, majorly news will influence. So people have taken at 80, or let's say 82 rupees level, so they can hold it. So fresh investment I will discuss in the Telegram section tomorrow morning itself. Okay, so these are the major updates. So I've discussed what is the legal notice, so what is ROFR, right of first refusal. So that is the main reason regarding the obligations why it has sent the legal notice. So wait for the CCI approval, since we are approaching to the due date as well. So little patience is required. So that is what I can suggest. As usual, don't invest in heavy quantities. So always be on safe side and invest in small portions. So that will be the best idea. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and if you're not joined the Telegram group, definitely join it. So until then, take care. Bye bye.